Today on Concrete State of Mind Showcase. So as you see, we've got some pieces here, some of these squares out of this driveway that are marked off, and we went ahead and saw cut the joints, and if need be, we'll put some other saw cuts in there so we can get the concrete out without cracking the concrete, the existing concrete around it. And then we're going to go ahead and put some steel rebar dowels in and connect everything, form it up, and pour it back. We've just got some cracked concrete here, some concrete that's not level with the other concrete due to settling and roots. And so we just got some piecework here. We're going to go ahead and take it out, form it up, pour it back. Billy, we got a bet going that you'll end up dropping one of those pieces and breaking another square today. I'm betting that you will. I shouldn't have told him, now he's not going to. He did. That was the only side he could take though. Come on. See how we broke the sides off here so we can pick it up without breaking the concrete next to it. We'll make it small enough we can get it in the dump truck and make it dump. Cool, they're gonna love you. They're gonna love you on YouTube. Karate Kid.
We got more important shit than videos, bud.
Oh, we're pouring concrete. I know. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, a partial, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all for today's episode of Concrete State of Mind Showcase. Until next time, keep a concrete state of mind and grind hard. As always, God bless America.